how do you position yourself for the final hour of trade? We have Sacchitanand Uttekar who joins us. Hi, Sachi. Good afternoon and good to see you, Ben. What's your take? Flat as can be on the Nifty. So where are we headed from here? Maybe we brace for a bit of consolidation, and also individual stocks. What are you looking at?
Good afternoon, Nigel. Clearly, I think it's a day of consolidation, but I think the Nifty has been respecting its 5-day exponential moving average support very well. Even today, we saw it declining towards the same, and already we are seeing a rebound. So I think this particular consolidation mode may continue when it comes to Nifty, until unless we don't see the Nifty closing below that 25,200 mark. I think the trajectory on the higher side remains open. We are optimistic on the market, and we are expecting that this particular rally could continue towards 25,450 eventually. But when we look at Nifty Bank, I think there is an opportunity here. In fact, so for the last few trading sessions, the 5-day exponential moving average support has worked out well. Even today, we saw it slipping below the same, and there has been a good strong recovery led by ICICI Bank. So probably we may see good momentum building in when it comes to Nifty Bank. The open high level is somewhere close to around 51,480, and we are of the opinion that going forward in the last half an hour of the trade, we may see this particular level getting breached, and that's why we are recommending building long positions in Nifty Bank. The support at around 51,300 has been very stable, so keeping a stop loss somewhere close to around 51,260. Long positions can be deployed in Nifty Bank. Eventually, we may see a swing towards 51,580, which may extend towards 51,800 as well.
Okay, all right. Got that. Thank you very much for the overall sense. Just in terms of individual stocks, Sacchitanand, if you could run us through your strategies and throw in a word on Bajaj Finance in specific. There's a lot of excitement around the subsidiary IPO Bajaj Housing. So we saw the run-up and the build-up in the stock. Today is a cool-off. So some levels here perhaps that one can work with.
Good afternoon, Surbi. Clearly, I think the consolidation breakout is very well evident on the weekly scale, and the way it has performed in last week, we may see some follow-through action after brief consolidation. So we are of the opinion that this particular stock may scale eventually towards 7,800, 7,840 kind of a zone. The immediate support base, which has acted well, is somewhere close to around 7,000 levels, wherein its 200-day exponential moving average is also placed. So any declines towards that particular support would again give us one more opportunity to create some fresh long positions. When it comes to momentum, I think we've already seen some signs of distribution here, but this looks like a classic, regular corrective move, which may end eventually. So on a decline, we are still, advising building long positions. We see this particular stock scaling higher towards 7,840. When we look at stocks, I think the participation has been more from private banking names, and we are comfortable building long positions in ICICI Bank. We are expecting that the stock may eventually scale towards this life high level, which is placed somewhere close to around 1256. From a trading momentum perspective, the immediate hurdle for the stock is placed somewhere close to around 1240. We may see a momentum bout once this particular level is breached. On the lower side, the support at around 1225 has been very strong. This is where its 5-day exponential moving average is also placed. So keeping a stop loss somewhere close to around 1222, we are recommending building long positions in ICICI Bank. The other stock which has been on our radar is Larsen & Toubro. Now, if you look at the weekly structure, there's a classic diamond formation which has given a breakout last week. So we are anticipating that this particular stock may lead the next leg of the Nifty, and we may see it scaling towards 3940 eventually. So here we are recommending building long positions with a stop loss somewhere close to around 3680, which can be maintained on a closing basis.
Okay, all right, got that. Sacchitanand, thank you very much for the calls. With that, let's quickly move on.